Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing of the Enchanted Forest Felines Tarot by Jen Sankey. Look at that little paw. You've got like a little paw in there. And illustrated by Ivor Dukic. Expand your cat tuition. Oh, very nice. Cat tuition. Yeah. Okay, so this is a cat deck. There's a tuxedo cat. I've got this one. You very often see little bits of white hair on my, where they stick like glue. Enter the Enchanted Forest and experience the power of catomancy. There's a play on the cartomancy. Feline oracles bound from tree to tree in the Enchanted Forest. You'll think clearly and see situations anew. The court cards in this Rider-Waite Smith style deck, which is really good for us for beginners, are ruled by Bombay King, Egyptian Mao, Himalayan Knight, and Munchkin Page Cats. The four suits are transformed into dandelions, swords, saucers of cups, branches of wands, and mushrooms of pentacles. So they've made it relevant to the theme, haven't they? But staying true to the Rider-Waite, which is really good. So through Ivor Dukic's irresistible illustrations and Jen Sankey's insightful guidebook, the cats will help you recognise your true self and intrinsic nature. I do like a cat deck, I must admit. So we've got a little book, and then within it you've got a bit about the author, yeah, and the illustrator, the artist. There they are. Then you have Wild and Free, so it talks to you about the book, and it will go into where they preparing the deck, etc. Then all of the cards. So you have all of the cards, yeah, all the way through. Remember, the names of the suits are slightly different. So saucers of cups, so we'll go through. And then if you go all the way through to the end, there should be spreads. There we go. Okay, so very handy. It's, look at it, it's Mew or Never. I like this. Great fun little deck with cats. And you can read it as an everydayer as well. So you've got, there's a book and the paw print thing. I think that's really quite cute. It's a Llewellyn deck. Let's pop that in there and I'll take you through the cards. Now, please remember, as I say with these now, is that if I'm going too fast, you have the ability to be able to slow the video down. If I'm going too slow, you have the ability to speed it up. So we'll now see that these are actually the Rider-Waite style decks. Love the artwork. Some milk. A dog in a cat suit. The cat on the moon, the cat on the sun. It's a gorgeous little deck, isn't it? Okay, so then we're into branches, which are obviously wands. Same thing, you see, looking out to the sea, the three of branches. Happy home, quarrelling. So you can still read the true essence of the Rider-Waite. Very clever. They're very card. You can hear the noise, can't you? So they're a good card stock. And they're the different types of cats, as they said. And we've got the dandelions. And these are the swords, aren't they? Because you can see that straight away. Yeah. The most challenging of suits, and they've made them into dandelions, which is a lovely thing to do. It makes it slightly less of a chore. The swords are quite tricky. Just little experiences. And then we have mushrooms. So this is pentacles, isn't it? Must be. Because we're sitting on our toys and hiding them. And you can see they are, look, as you're going through. So you will be able to quickly transfer your Rider-Waite deck knowledge into this deck if you fancy a Rider-Waite based deck that is themed around cats and fun. So then we have saucers. These were emotions, weren't they? That's sweet. Happy Ever After with all the kitties. Oh, isn't that a beautiful, beautiful card? There we are. So these were, or are rather, the Enchanted Forest Felines tarot deck. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Please let me know in the comments what you think, and thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.